Usa ka entertainment group halin sa Manila ang nag-abot kahapon agud makisadya sa mga kabangkalanon sa ila pagsaulog sang ika-12 nga charter anniversary. Sa nahauna nga tion, ang Club MOA yari na sa Negros Occidental kag magapasundayag sang ila mala Las Vegas kag Broadway performances nga may lakot nga
Sa
comedy.
Broadway, New York, pinag-combine namin yon. It is really a spectacular show. So you try to come and see.
Subong nagasaulog kita sa charter anniversary sa Kabangkalan. Ika-12 na nila nga tuig nagindeklara sila bilang
Kilala
isang
pa
syudad.
sa Sinulog. No, inuwi sadya gina siya nga festival. Ano naman ang difference ng Sinulog kag Udyakan Festival naton?
Okay. Jay, basically, ang Sinulog Festival is a religious festival. It's a festival for senior Santo Niño. Whereas Udyakan Festival is a cultural festival.
Yes. that was
Our biggest entertainment package for this charter celebration is the performance of Folie de Moi, of Club Moi, a very famous venue for just go to the K Center. Although I would like to warn those who are watching right now that this is a first come first serve basis. It will be something that you should not miss. So please come and join us in Cabancalan City.
Okay. Doc, any parting message?
In behalf of Cabancalan City Cultural and Tourism Foundation Incorporated, its board of directors and members, I am inviting one and all to please come to Cabancalan City, come visit us, join us, and enjoy our festivities.